Hello everyone. If you are ever in need of a retainer, a replacement retainer, you should try Clearretain. So last week my daughter, Cheyenne, she thinks she's the favorite. She dropped her retainer in the car rider lane, and just so happened when I went back to pick her up that afternoon, it was wrapped up in the tissue that she wrapped it in, that I told her do not use a napkin to wrap your retainer, but she did it all the time, and look and see what happened. Now we have to use Clearretain. Anywho, it was damaged. I called Clearretain. The next day they sent me out the package. In the package came, for the uppers, 3 of these, and then 3 for the bottom. You get clay. You get about 4 of these. And then I ordered an extra. They advise you to order extra. And the extra one was like $6. $6 and change to get the extra. And they come with instructions for exactly how to do your self-impression instructions, front and back. I suggest you follow it to a T, because this putty that you have to mix, the red and the white, turns hard so fast. So this was the very first one my daughter tried to do. As you can see, it was an epic fail. So then we got good impressions. Bam. So then once you're finished doing your impressions, you have to send them a picture of your impressions through their email and wait for approval. And they also send you the mailing label. So that's already included. So the total was $145. The upper and bottom were $119, and then the shipping and handling, so everything came into like about $145, which I think is good, in considering that her orthodontist would have charged us maybe about $300 for a replacement. So I will keep you posted when we get the new retainers in. But if ever in need, try Clearretain.